Hello, and welcome back to ClearTask. If you are dealing with the limited access error on Discord and cannot fully interact with your favorite servers, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through a simple and direct method to resolve this issue and get your account back to normal. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Discord support and hit enter. Click on the first official link that appears to access the Discord Help Center. Once the support page loads, locate the search bar near the top of the screen. Type the words limited access and press enter. From the generated results, select the article titled Limited Access FAQ. You can read through this page to understand why Discord restricts accounts. But to fix it quickly, just scroll down toward the bottom of the article. You will find a section with a link that says here to submit a ticket. Click on that link. This action redirects you to the official request form. First, carefully enter the email address that is linked to your Discord account. For the subject line, simply type limited access. In the description box, keep your message clear and direct. You can write something like, "Hello, my account currently has limited access. I would like to request a review to restore my full permissions." When everything looks correct, go ahead and click the submit button. Your request will be successfully submitted to the Discord support team. They will review your account and follow up via email to lift the restriction. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.